Good evening, all of. My name is Pooja Subhash Patil. Today's date is 23rd December 2021. Today's topic name is wrapper classes. As you know, Java is a object-oriented programming language. It is based upon object-oriented programming language. We all know Java is a purely object-oriented programming language, but rarely 100% object-oriented programming language. Then answer is no, because Java is used primitive data types. The primitive data types such as int, char, float, boolean, byte, long, double, short. These are data types are used in Java. It is a not object. The all data types. These are all data types. So data types are used in object-oriented programming in Java is called as wrapper classes. The wrapper classes are used to convert primitive data type into object. The data types are wrapper classes included. Such data types are int, char, float, double, short, long, boolean. Data types are also used in wrapper classes. The process of converting primitive data types to object is called as boxing, and then process are converting object into primitive data type is known as unboxing. The wrapper classes are also come in Java util packages. Then discuss about what is packages. Packages is nothing but collection of classes. Packages are divided into two parts. First one is a user defined package and second one is a built in package. Then util is a built in package. There are then discuss about data types of wrapper classes. In Java, the wrapper classes are divided into eight parts. Then we discuss about one by one. Integer wrapper classes are available in int data type. Character wrapper classes are available in char data type. Float wrapper classes are available in float data type. Long wrapper classes are available in long data type. Then short wrapper classes are available in short data type. Byte data type are available in byte wrapper classes are available in byte data type. Boolean wrapper classes are available in boolean data type. Then double wrapper classes are available in double data type. Then all wrapper classes are int, float, byte, short, long, double, float are subclasses of abstract of a number. And then only character and boolean wrapper classes are subclasses of object. Then wrapper classes are wrapper classes are used in polymorphism concept. What is polymorphism? Polymorphism is a Greek word. It is combined of two words. First one is a poly. Poly means many, and second one is a morphism. Morphism means forms. Then polymorphism means many forms. Polymorphism are used in wrapper classes. Divided into two parts. First one is a compile polymorphism, and second one is a runtime polymorphism. That's all about today's topic. Thank you.